Hello there. I hope you can see me, cause I'm seeing you. Please ignore the hair. Um, so this is my first time talking to the camera. I hope I'm loud. I am loud. Yes, I am loud. So, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to build a Rubik's Cube in the great version of Minecraft. It's not even great, it's just free Minecraft. The original Minecraft costs like a, a lot of money. Please, please. I'm just an introvert. Introvert. So I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to build a Rubik's Cube and free Minecraft. You don't have to pay for it. Just download it on Play Store if you have Android. I'm going to show you the clip just now.